Sick,
cheers, mate. Cheers, boys. Hello. Are you worried? It's really flexible. Welcome back. Tonight you join us on a little midnight mission. We've got this Caterham 310R press car from Caterham. We're taking it into central London to hopefully get some cool pics once it gets dark. And I'm meeting up with my buddy Dave. You might remember him from my Caterham down a mountain in Portugal video. I'll be honest, it feels weird doing this without a crash helmet on. Some cool pics, so see you out there. Speed camera, but I was sat at the traffic lights. There's a guy next to me taking pictures of me. Took about 30 pictures, he loves it. What I would say as a bit of consumer advice, if you're driving through London and you're using Google Maps as your sat-nav, some of the 20s are 30s and some of the 30s are 20s. So just be warned. Coming around Parliament Square. Not far to go. I must say, this little Caterham around London's actually been really good. It's a little 1.6. It's quite happy just to tick along. What I would say, if you are going to drive through the middle of London, especially if it's dark, in your Caterham, consumer advice, pick the brightest colour you can. Bright green, showing up really well. So I do feel a little bit extra safe. He's going to take the doors off, chuck them in the boot of his car. I think parked up, we're seeing it. I think parked up, it'll look better without the doors on. Hello, mate! Hello, mate!
Seen you in it.
That's seen you here.
So I've got a few bits and bobs, pop it round, I'll be back.
I'll see you in a sec. Here, man. I've got Dave in the car. Say hello, Dave.
Hello, hi.
You might remember him from my Caterham Portugal video, although roles have been reversed now, so I'm holding the steering wheel. Although we're doing about 2,000 revs, so he doesn't need to be worried. Although I am driving around London, so maybe he should be worried.
From such videos as thrashing it down a Portuguese mountain. You might have seen.
Oh, I know where we are now.
Yeah?
I know where we are.
Interesting.
Who knows? Oh, I did, mate, sorry. It is easy.
It's easy to spoil them.
I didn't have a chance, yeah.
Tell you what's easy to building it, boring it.
Yeah, it's better than the guys at Caterham build it, just give it to me.
Yeah. But it's because we're all picking up from the theatre. So follow in through that gap there, go through that gap,
So I just feel naked now, take the doors off.
Yeah.
She knows.
Yeah, well, exactly. It's how she feels when she sees it. Take a left here, but that's sushi samba. So if you want to spend 100 quid on your sushi,
oh, okay, that's where to go.
Otherwise, just take a photo of the car in front of it. Come back, more. Back. Stop there, yeah.
Is that what you want? Good.
So straight on the way, then it's going to be. This is Shaftesbury Avenue, so that's where Ladies is. This is Theatreland.
There we go, straight up.
Yeah, straight up.
Tell you what, I'm warm, but I'm cold. I'm still glad I wore shorts and t-shirt. There's still a nice bit of heat coming off of this.
Good, stay in this lane, and then it's going to indicate right, and then pop up the cement road. they're open tonight as well, so that'll make for a nice that angle as well. So
do that
you
again.
know what you're going to do, line that up nicely there. Wheels, do you want the wheel off at the last minute? Steer?
Tiffany Dell says wheel straight.
Always wheel straight, right.
Do you want some photography tips from Tiff? Don't turn the bloody wheels out. Keep the wheels straight for photos.
Oh, see, I always turn the wheels. Oh dear.
What else?
Yeah.
Don't have the presenter in the shot. Just do the car. Leave me alone.
Looks like you mean action. Good try.
Dave working his magic, getting the money shot. Right, this is the Piccadilly surface shot. I've basically got to wait on the side of the road for the traffic lights to go red. But I can't have anyone in front of me. Go on, you go in there. You go in there. We're on red, we're going. Okay.
Take a left here. We're going to be doing the
Do your Chinatown job.
Chinatown. Yeah, no one's at the end. Perfect. You know what to
Do a shunt, and I have to get over.
Let me run
I
out.
have to get over to that side of the street.
Yeah, let me try that.
Yeah, go on.
As well with the tyre advert.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Got to nail that one properly. That's the connoisseur shot right there.
Connoisseur shot.
It is. It's
Okay,
cool. Yeah, it's right because it does say they're famous, those paintings. So.
Stuart Little. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. How we just pick it up. It's like, I was doing alright when I was on my way into London. I was doing alright until I got right next to my first double-decker bus, and I was suddenly like, whoa. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this.
It's pretty quiet for us to soak this, isn't it?
Hello. Are you worried? It's really flexible. You'll go through it. Sit on the floor.
Room for a little one. If they go to
hurry up, the light's green. We'll have to, I'll jump the red for a safety issue.
You're going to have to.
She said I work for Caterham, or I like your Caterham. She said to work Caterham, she knew it was a Caterham.
It's when you see other people in lesser sports cars as well.
Yeah, they're
like
just jealous.
You're like,
Just jealous.
It's in your hand, I'll raise you.
You see your Porsche?
Yeah. I'm going all in.
Yeah. We drive around London, we're still doing 30 to the gallon.
Yeah.
a
Yeah, you can charge good money for this. Nice car, but
where we're heading now.
new Bond, old Bond Street, in fact, the best of the Bond Streets. Oh, she's had a few. Yeah, you might be able to get something decent there.
Yeah. Dustbin lorry, all the glamour. Trying to get a 007 shot. That's the money shot. Dave's on it though. Mate, did you see those random people? They literally walked all the way over to us, started talking about the car.
Oh yeah?
Took a picture of the car, never addressed us at all. It was totally bizarre. Shame like Buckingham Palace not lit up. Oh,
yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? It is a shame. Never seems to do it by the time.
Yeah. Feel that warmth.
Get a look down there.
It's like having a fireplace.
Yeah. It still looks like.
Oh yes, there we go.
Pink, which in different ways we've got.
I was going to try and make it cool and try and make it green, but
yeah,
it just clashed.
Yeah. Get it left there. Yes, alright, that's good there. But I quite like this texture of this. If we could only get that texture in, I think that would be quite nice, do you know what I mean? Without the tarmac. Yeah.
Right, so we got the money shot, got the London Eye money shot.
Certainly did. There's a part where we're going, if we could do a moving shot, I'd be delighted. It seems like some sort of film set, if we can get it.
This is London Bridge.
Yeah.
Hey, wicked.
We conquered.
Like, as you said.
Incredible pictures there. Tomorrow I'll be like, what the hell? How do we do that?
She was like, it's like, they're not 100% sure what they're seeing.
Yeah.
It's like, it's a car, but it's not a car. What are you driving around in it this time of night? What is the time now? About 2-ish?
42, yeah.
42. Cheers, man.
Lovely comment.
That's sick,
Cheers, mate. Cheers, boys. Well, that's got like 8 people's what do you call it?
Yeah, approval.
Approval. That's the word I was looking for. Mate, thanks, sir.
You're very welcome.
Mate, it's good. It's good
Thanks
to
for
see you
dropping
again.
by. Yeah, great to be here. I don't think there's many people that we passed that didn't either leap in the road or scream, "Great car, mate!"
Or get their camera phone out.
Yeah, it's literally the best way to travel around the West End.
100%, mate. It's been brilliant. You literally, I could touch the road from here. I won't do because we're doing 20 mile an hour.
Yeah,
Mate, brilliant.
nice to be a part of it.
Mate, look at that. That's awesome.
Insane. Yeah.
Living the dream. So there we go, successful evening photo shoot, evening/night. It's currently 2:15. Dropped Dave off at his house. He gave me an ice cream to eat on the journey home. As a little nod to our Caterham Portugal video.
Living the dream.
So living the dream. Just coming up to Tower Bridge because there's no point driving across London without going over Tower Bridge, right? So there we go, I'm going to close the video out. whilst driving over Tower Bridge at 2 o'clock in the morning in my Caterham. Not my Caterham. Thank you ever so much to Caterham for letting us drive this around London for photos. If you haven't done already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Just plumbed it in the sat nav ETA at home, 4:05 AM. Here we go, 50 mile an hour speed limit. Getting warmer. National speed limit in 3, 2, 1. Oh, now we're cooking. Oh, definitely didn't just stop and put the roof on, so I was absolutely freezing cold. Oh yes, let's crack on.